Alright, so our job for the next couple of weeks is going to be replacing, we have 4 condensing units and 4 coils that need to be replaced in a walk-in. The walk-in's about 15 to 20 feet high. I think it's like something like 80 by 80 or something like that. It's a big walk-in. And the units that are there, one unit is down completely that has a leak in the coil that like it's completely discharged. Another one has a slow leak, but that's up and running. And the other 2 are running fine. They're all 2002 R22 medium temp. We're replacing it with 404A medium temp and replacing the semis with scrolls for electrical purposes. They want to lower their electrical bill and just update all the units. This walk-in is total redundancy, so 2 of those units have to be able to keep temp in the walk-in, with the other 2 being down for their insurance purposes. This place is basically a distribution facility for all kinds of things, so there's a ton of stuff coming in and out of this walk-in at all times. So they have a lot of product in there, and it could range from tons of different things. It's basically like a shipping company. And right now, if you might notice in the video, it doesn't seem to be that much stuff in there. That's because we're purposely have as little product as possible in there while we're doing this. So I think each evaporator coil is 114,000 BTUs. I mean, they're big suckers. The evaps themselves, I think, weigh 700 pounds. So obviously, forklift them into place, bolt them in place, and we're replacing existing. So we're reusing the line sets. They were already once we cut them, we blow them out, flush them. There's not actually, we've already done one, and there wasn't much, if any, oil coating in there, which is good. So nothing was oil bound, and we have good oil flow return, so our refrigerant runs are fine. It's just a long process. So we have a crane to remove the rooftop units, and we have they have their forklift to place the units inside, and it's a matter of piping everything in. Everything is 460 volt, so 460 volt condensing units, 460 volt evaporators. The way that works with the evaporators is there's 2 circuits. There's 460 volt power to the evaporators for the fans, and then there's a 208 volt control line that controls the temperature control and the solenoid, and in this case with the new units, it controls a motor controller that allows the evaporator fans to speed up and slow down. So it's just a bit of a process, not a huge thing. And also the only other issue that we have is that the new evaporators are opposite. So the old evaporators, refrigerant lines are on the left, electrical's on the right. The refrigerant's on the right-hand side of the evaporator, the electrical's on the left. We're opposite on the new ones, the new Trenton evaps, where refrigeration line's on the left, electrical on the right. So what we're doing is just putting the refrigerant lines across the back of the coil, inside the box, not above, because they come straight from the roof and go straight down. So we're doing a horizontal run in the box of about 10 feet before we do the vertical. New traps, new tubing there, new armor flex, the whole spiel. So you get to see most of the process of doing that. Now we're doing multiple evaps, so I'm recording more than one, so depending on what you see, you may see a couple of clips from a different units, depending. So, but all the same process for all 4 evaporators.
All these Trentons up here. Yeah, but that one we did that. Yeah, that's the first one we did. That one I did. Red boots and they walk in the dawn. No, they want to day. Whatever. Told me that you were big or match the front on the other side. I'll fucking stab you. Don't come near me when I'm ready.
Nitrogeny discharge.
Yes. Two cell. Oh, right, to help.
Yeah.
And, yes.
The one thing, annoying thing about Trenton, I have no idea why they do this. They're the only ones that brace those stupid things on.
I know, it fucking sucks.
It's, I don't know, so you have to unbrace them, which is annoying. But, got my little nitrogen tank, nitrogen purge through here right now. We're going to pull these two caps off. So we can stop piping. Where's my lighter? Oh.
Yeah, I got it all ready. Yeah.
Inch and 5/8. Is there an open end? And what would I just do with the... Seriously, what I do with the same I should do?
We were just thinking the same thing.
I just had it in my pocket. Oh my god. Oh, because it's my other pocket. I need a nap. Okay, 14 inches is what we need. Hey dude, when you gotta go, you gotta go.
Didn't even drink anything before that either. Audio and video. Yes. So no expletives.
No expletives? I don't know.
Well, yeah, I'm not a few things in the game. William, this is a very classy organization.
Where's my turnarounder? Fucking toy. Alright, so we got to reduce this. No, sir. Please, sir. And do not like green eggs and ham. Do not like them, Sam. I am. Read it last night. Yeah. Tape measure, please.
6 inches. Yeah, there you go. 7 inches. 7 and a half.
7 1/4.
I think they're good.
7 1/4. Actually, well, that's gonna get tipped up anyway. So, yeah, 7 1/4 should do it.
Great.
Way to go.
We want you to get white wire.
White line. Do. Free base. No. Okay, suction line's all done. These are the joints. They're capped. Everything's in there fine. I don't know if you noticed on the video, heat up the fitting first, then the pipe, bring the flame back to the fitting. That will draw the brazing rod up and into the fitting. Do one full rotation of that. Make sure you got it all sucked in, and then take the flame off and just feather the flame and cap that little top there, and there are your joints. So now I'm just gonna do the liquid line, and obviously this unit's being brazed because of the physical size of the lines. Can't soft solder. I wouldn't be comfortable soft soldering something of this size, but a smaller unit I'd have no problem doing it. So now we'll just put the armor flux back up here. Once it's pretty cool now, still a little warm, but not enough to burn the armor flux, but we'll pop that back on. We'll do the liquid line here, and I will change my fitting here over from the suction line to the king valve here, and that'll let me get the nitrogen to the liquid line. Alrighty, we are all connected. Keep the lines up and underneath the suction line. And then, the only thing I gotta do is, I actually gotta get a clamp. I'm gonna get a side beam hanger, clamp it right here. I'm gonna come off and hold the suction line, and then this liquid line here is gonna be zip tied to that suction line. And I ain't gonna go anywhere. And I also gotta get another clamp for whatever reason. These clamps are missing. I'll get one for here, and there is one buried under here. I already checked. There's one under there. For whatever reason, that one's missing. I'll just get a clamp for that, and we're done. So I gotta go do one more of these, all the way down by the other end where those guys are standing. Pipe in that one today, and then tomorrow we're gonna do the coils.